How to set up a business Instagram account. So in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to set up an Instagram business account. Now the first thing you'll need to do is go and load up the Instagram app and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. Now if you're already signed in to a personal Instagram account, you can either go and switch your account to a business profile, or what you can do instead is you can create a separate profile just for your business. So if you want to create a second profile, you'll need to click on your profile name at the top of the page, and then you'll need to select Add Instagram Account. And then you can go through the steps to create a new account. Now once you're signed into your business profile, you'll then need to select Edit Profile from this page here. Now click on Switch to Professional Account, click on Next, and then select the category that best describes your business. Now once you've selected a category, just go and press Switch to Professional Profile. Now press OK. Select whether you're a business or a creator. So I'm just going to press Business and select Next. You can then enter your business information and click on Next. If you've set up a business Facebook page, you can also go and link that to Facebook from here. Otherwise, select Skip. Now, once you've done this, press the cross icon in the top right-hand side of the page. And we've now set up a business Instagram account. So you can see now we have the option for professional dashboard, and this is going to give us access to all of our business tools. You can decide to add a profile picture, and you can also click on edit profile, and you can now add things such as a bio and also links to your website as well.